if you've been experiencing blurry photos or videos or reels on your Instagram, today I'm going to help you. First, you want to open your Instagram and head over to Settings and scroll down to find Media Quality. Here, Instagram is offering you 3 different options. You want to make sure the first one and the last one are toggled off and the one in the middle is toggled on. Because the first one and the last one, they want to lose less data or disable HDR media. So we don't want these. We want them to be off and we want to upload media at highest quality. So we want to make sure this is on. But after that, if you're still experiencing blurry photos or videos, there's one more thing you can do. Head over to Chrome and type speed test like that. And here you can run speed test or you can tap on this website. And then I'm going to continue on the web and tap go, allow. And now it is testing my internet speed. For me, it's 42, I think, megabytes per second. So it's not half bad. But if your internet speed is not quite fast, then probably you will see blurry photos or videos. And sometimes it takes a couple of seconds for Instagram to load the whole thing. So it might show you blurry and with lower resolution at first. But if you wait a couple of seconds, it's going to load the whole thing with higher quality. I hope this helps and make sure to subscribe for more information like this.